Barba, Coach Cody Chizarabara, General Sherry, and Rania Musa of the Petrogas Angels who won in straight sets against the Capital One Solar. Coach, congratulations on this win, your 7th straight win here in the All-Filipino. What can you say about how your team performed today?
Yes, today game was a good, everyone good performance. Before a couple of games, we saw no good started. But today, it's good start dash. So they could make a good rhythm. Yes. And I appreciate the Capital One team. Yes. So today was a good performance than last couple of games.
Thank you, Coach. And for Remy as team captain, gano'n ka lang din ka-proud sa nabibuild na momentum ng team, especially getting to the next round?
Lagi naman pong nag-remind din sa amin yung coaches na simulan talaga namin sa ensayo para mag-carry over lang lahat ng process na tinatrabaho namin sa training, coming to the game, para hindi kami, parang hindi kami blinded na anong ilalaro namin. May idea kami, kailangan lang talagang i-apply yung ina-ensayo. So yung momentum na nakukuha namin is part din talaga ng process na kailangan mo na talagang trabahuin bago mo makuha yung resulta na hinihingi sa'yo. So ayun nga, sobrang nakaka-proud din na lahat kami may nako-contribute every game, and also part din ng strategy ng coaches yun na mabigyan talaga lahat ng chance makapaglaro.
Thank you. And for Janelle, personally as a center, gano'n ka lang din ka-proud sa nagiging performance ng team?
As a center, syempre sobrang proud kasi kita naman siguro na kahit sino yung pasok, nag-perform ngayon, which is good sa team para sa mga upcoming games pa namin.
And for Rania and Casey, unti-unti na rin kayo na-integrate ulit sa system after injury. So ano lang din yung feeling na yun nga, yung trust and wala na
Hindi. Sa akin lang, siguro malaking bagay yung binibigay sa amin ni coach na tiwala. Kasi sa training, ayun nga, sobra-sobra kami. So, every training talaga is nilalaban namin yung chance namin makapag-play. So, parang ang laking sa amin na napili kami ipasok and ilaro po.
And for me po, yung thankful ako sa tiwala ni coach and ng teammates ko na I know naman na like kakabalik and all. Pero consistency lang yung kailangan kong i-ano sa sarili ko, and also yung tulong lang sa teammates. Yun.
Thank you. The floor is open for